Oh, I didn't see you there. I was just searching a game that we can play together for a YouTube video. Um, there we go. It's like a, it's like a FNAF Tycoon. Yeah, it's right there. It's one of my favorite ones. Alright, I'll tell you. Never mind. um, yeah, they do have sister location. Disgusting. I'll lower it down so you guys can like hear me well and stuff. I'll select an area. What about over here? FNAF 4, yes, I have played this game many times. Someone is building a FNAF 3 over there. They're about to move on to my level. Yes, I have 319 fast coins. 15, I don't care, I have 300. Yes, you can sprint. I keep saying yes. Buy the whole house, I don't care. Ah! Why you just pull up like that in front of me? You can't just do that. That's illegal. Huh? In a hut, in a... Get. I'm trying to buy some stuff and you disrespect me. Yes, I want the window. What the? Why does everything here cost $15? Buy. God, these people are crazy. They want mad money. Dang. Alright. And those over there, those ones over there, I don't need to buy. They're really expensive. They're like $1,000 each. Every time you go, like you play this game, and then yeah, each animatronic always costs $1,000. So yeah, I bought that. No, I don't have enough. Buy it because I want to waste. Alright. $25. There you go. That's how to waste money, guys. Yeah. Oh, that's Markiplier? Oh yeah, he beat this game in like 1 second or something. It was very easy for him to beat this game. Not really. Like for the viewers, it looked like it like took like 1 second to beat for him, and then boom. Probably the viewers tried and it was super hard. Like meanwhile, they actually tried like hours and hours to beat the game. We got Circus Baby's World. Yeah, this is like to say that Circus Baby's World is a Circus Baby's World is part of FNAF. FNAF part of FNAF. Yeah. 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 Circus Baby's World, aka sister location, is FNAF. And actually, technically, FNAF 4 is the last chapter of FNAF. But since this is FNAF's sister location, it doesn't say chapter 5 really. Because, yeah, it did say last chapter and then they made another one. But it didn't really say chapter 5. They didn't when it released, they didn't say it was chapter 5. They just said sister location, so it doesn't count as being another chapter of FNAF. And the other chapter people from FNAF actually proved that it was chapter 5 of FNAF, and it actually was chapter 5 of FNAF. And then they released FNAF 6, which is Pizzeria Simulator and stuff, where I have to protect Lefty, Scrap Baby, and all those animatronics. And yeah. The most hyped up FNAF game I really like is FNAF AR. It's like you get to fight animatronics in real life. Meanwhile, I'm buying everything to waste money. There you go. I bought a hallway. Alright, are you happy? No? That's okay. Okay. Oh, I thought that was $50. Oh, there's something called that's $80. I can probably buy that. That's the grandfather clock. Oh, I remember that. That's actually the grandfather clock is actually part of FNAF 4. Like it always used to make sounds and like distract the player from focusing on the animatronics. So that was like a little boost on like the intenseness and like how hard it is. Yeah. Oh. So far, we have a pretty good one, like right here. We have a pretty good area. I will check the time on my phone. It is 11:38. Okay. Right now I'm in my break. Oh. Couch, $100. That's not that much. $100 for a couch. I thought that'd be like $200, and then it becomes solid once it's finished. And then $150 for his favorite TV show, which just shows the TV near the clock. That's the grandfather clock. Yeah. That's the teddy bear. Ew. I don't like him just having red eyes. Oh, I can buy the TV now. AKA his favorite TV show. What is it? Let's see what it is. It's building the TV right. Oh yeah, it was that. Oh, I forgot. It was that. It was that show. Like imagine like someone found that show in real life. That'd be amazing. I could buy these two because 50 plus 50 equals 100. Yep. It reached 6 a.m., which is the time when it actually becomes daytime. Yay! They forgot to add the yay music. I don't know why. Alright, this hallway is finished, even though it doesn't look like it, because the lag. When I look from here, it looks like it's finished. When I look from here, it doesn't look like it's finished. What the freak? It's physics. That's a TV. Yeah, music. I might buy the kitchen, which is right here, but yeah. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna buy this. Oh, it's building. I got this new hat from a promo code. I'll show you all the promo codes I got it from and all that stuff. I got it from TikTok, and I'll show you how to get them by the end of this video, maybe. This is the end of the video right now, because the kitchen I think is the last part, and then come back for part 2. I'll show you the promo codes if I can find it. Let me see. I'm gonna leave so I can pause it. Hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and find it. Guys, sadly I cannot find the video where I found the promo codes I was gonna show you. So, this is the end of the video.